Hello guys and welcome to this new video. Today we will discuss about sealed classes in Java. A sealed class, as the name suggests, is used to restrict the access to some class. That is, we can restrict the access for inheritance and other stuff or accessing values from within the class. We create sealed classes in Java by simply using the sealed keyword. So let's just assume what the name suggests, sealed, is a lock. We are putting a lock on some specific class. So for example, if I create a class right now here, let's say public sealed class, let's say for example, okay, now here we have created a sealed class. We can also create non-sealed classes. For example, let's say public non-sealed class. Let's just name it, let's name it, for example, let's just name it circle. We can also make sure that some specific classes can access the sealed class by using the permits keyword. Let's say if it permits, for example, if I just say circle, so this, we can say that it permits circle to extend the class itself. So if you say now it extends, you can see that it shows the shape as an example. So these are sealed classes. We know that this is not a sealed class, so which means if I create another class, let's say a basic class, let's say a class square, for example, you can see that it can extend the circle class by default because circle is a non-sealed class, whereas the shape itself is a sealed class. So that's how it works. So we can see the error is gone. The square can now extend the circle class. But if we try to extend the shape, for example, the shape class, you can see that it gives an error because shape class cannot extend the class that is not permitted. That is, it means that we have not permitted the square class to access the shape class. So if I just remove all the extents, we can see the class is now working fine. This is a very basic topic in Java and it just makes it easier for you to understand advanced level programming in Java. Sealed classes are very useful when we are working or when we are trying to abstract data, which means we are trying to hide unnecessary data from the end user. So this is a simple video on sealed classes. See you in the next one.